Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up and down your seats. So for those rear seats, there's this lever here that will pull. That'll let you pull them forward. Same process on the other side. And when you're done with this, to fold it back up, you want to make sure your seatbelt's not trapped, so you can pull it towards the front as you lift this back into place. Then it just locks back. Same process with the other side. The center just pulls down. Then fold it back up when you're done. And for your front seats, you want a little power to your vehicle since this is electric. But here, if you push this forward, the whole seat will move forward. You can maybe see there. And then to push it back for it to go backwards. And then this controls the back of the seat. So this makes it lean forward. And then this makes it lean backwards. And then this is more like the lumbar support, so it'll make it go forward or back. In your passenger side, we'll head over there. Same thing. You got this electronic forward and back, and then the rear support forward to back, and then that lumbar support. And then if your model is a little different, it might also be worth checking if there's a metal bar here. Sometimes there's a bar that you'll lift that'll let you slide the seat forward or back. And when you release that bar, it'll lock in place. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.